Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a video tutorial. Today I'll be showing to you an amazing website that pay you just to chat with their clients. Okay, so quickly pick up your phone, make sure you have a network connection, make sure you have a smartphone, and navigate yourself to your Chrome and type in remotely for you. Says become a chat operator and work from anywhere. Do you like to write? Are you self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. Apply today for job as a moderator for an online fantasy network. Okay, you can see this. All you just need to just make sure you are just a good writer. And I'm going to show you as well how you can do this writing without stressing yourself. Okay, have you heard of AI chat GBT? Okay, if you have, it's okay. If you haven't, you are at the right place. I'm going to show it to you as well. AI chat GBT allows provide you with all kind of written articles that you want. Okay, you don't need to stress yourself. All you just need to do is to ask and it will come up to you. Okay, so if you're interested in this, all you just need to do is hit on this apply now. Okay, so this is how the applications work. Start the application process here. You put your first name, your last name, your email account, click on here, and send my applications. Okay, get started. Three simple steps. Let's see those three simple steps that you get started with. Easy applications. The first part of the application is only asking for your name and email. We will send you more information about the process once we have confirmed your email. ID verifications. You must be over 18. Age to accept and to receive payments. We are required by law to conduct a simple ID verifications. Online trading. This very platform will as well train you. What will you do? What will you be chatting about? Okay, let's see what you'll be chatting about. We help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. Okay, so what you just need to do is to chat with a lot of lonely people, most especially Americans, and you get paid. Just devote your time and talk with someone. These are some of those things you do for free on other social network, right? Okay, see, our users write online text messages to fictional people on fantasy chat platform. Your job is to answer them and make conversations. Very simple. Apply now. As a chat agent, you will 1. Be 100% anonymous, no one knows you. Text only, no video, no voice. Work independently and with full flexibility. Earn more earn more depending on how often you work. Help those who need someone to talk to. These are the simple things you need to do on this very platform and you will get paid. So you are as well conduct your research. You are as well to conduct your research on this very platform before proceeding. Okay, what is the salary? As a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much as a little as you want. As little as you want. You can also work for wherever you want, as long as you have access to the internet and have a PC or laptop. Okay? There are different ways we reward you. The basic salary is calculated based on how many messages you reply to. Our rates per messages depend on various factors such as time of day, traffic, holidays, and more. So, interested? Apply. It's hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but a skilled chat agent who works 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week can easily earn between $100 to $300 weekly. Some of the top agents make more than 3,000 a month. Apply. Decide your own salary, receive plenty of bonuses. You can see. So all you just need to do go through this very website and hit on the application button, apply, and also pay attention to your emails. They will send you a lot of emails, and you'll fix it up. As a new chat operator, you will use some time to learn the system and what you will chat about. 25 to 35 messages average per hour, 15 to 20 total work hours, 110 to 170 payout per week. Week 2. So you can as well go through this. You must master English. Go through this all by yourself. You will train by us. Wow. 18 years age limit, internet access. You will work independently. So you check, look at this very website very well, and apply and start making money. Okay, if you are still with me on this very journey of this very video, don't forget, subscribe, like, and as well share, so that a lot of people can see this video running. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any issue, any question, do not forget, drop it in the comment section and I will get to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.